So friends, I would like to talk about Article 63 to 67 of the Constitution of India, because as we know that the Election Commission has begun its preparedness for the vice presidential poll of India. So with this regard, it would be better for us to understand regarding this constitutional post. So friends, this constitutional post under Article 63 says that there shall be a vice president of India, and the vice president shall be the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. In various exams we see that this question do come regularly. So this Article 64 is very much important, and with this Article 65 says that the vice president acts as the president in certain circumstances, and he is also known as the shadow president of our country. And the Article 66 to 71 deals with election qualification, oath and conditions of office, terms and removal. So the position and status of the Vice President of India is the second highest constitutional office in the country after the President, and as we know that the Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, that is the upper house of the Parliament, and he is not a member of either house of the Parliament while he is in the office. So the important thing that we have to know regarding the election of the Vice President, which is enumerated, which is dealt in Article 66, it says that the Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of both the houses of Parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and the nominated members of the Parliament also vote, unlike in the case of President, and the election is held through proportional representation by means of a single transferable vote, and voting is done by secret ballot. The process is conducted by the Election Commission of India. So regarding this, the qualification that is there is that a vice president, a person has to be a citizen of India, will have to complete 35 years of age and be qualified to be elected as the member of the Rajya Sabha or the Council of States, and shall not hold any office of profit under the government of India or any state government or any local or other authority. So the term of the office under Article 67 says that the Vice President holds office for a term of 5 years, and he or she can resign by writing to the President and continue in the office until a successor resumes the office. So a Vice President can be re-elected any number of times. But the main article, that is Article 67 subclause B, it says that the removal or regarding the removal of the Vice President, he can be removed by resolution of the Rajya Sabha passed by majority of his members and agreed to by the Lok Sabha. So now he can be removed by a resolution passed in the Rajya Sabha, passed by a majority of his members. You have to remember that there should be majority of the members, and that majority will have to be agreed. That resolution has to be agreed by the members of the Lok Sabha, and no formal impeachment process unlike that of President, and 14-day notice must be given for such resolution. So the power and function of regarding the Vice President is that he presides over the proceedings of Rajya Sabha, decides point of order and maintains discipline. He has a casting vote in case of a tie and does not vote in the first instance. So these are the very important points, and I would like to include another important point is that under Article 65, the Vice President discharges the functions of the President when the President dies, resigns, is removed, or is unable to discharge functions, and acts as a President until a new President is elected or until the President resumes the office. So in this regard, we can see that it is the second highest position, the constitutional position in the democracy. But in the recent time, what we have been seeing is not at all seeing at par the constitutional paradigm. So with this, I would like to end the video. Hope you liked it, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.